Here we are. I'll get this bastard out and all these. So it's going to be fucking hilarious to try and get everything all sorted and cleaned up, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Working, fuck's sake. You need a hand. It never happens. Right, I'm gonna try and dig this out and I'll be back with you shortly. I'm not a little feeble person.
Someone must have been my little finger and you take that, you know.
Something funny. So, it's all in. I will do a video, but fucking hell, that was hard. So as you can see by the video before, we just moved the engine crane, nearly broke my back. Because it was, I'm not the most strongest of people. Might be able to notice that I have got a lav mic on. I did buy that recently just to make the whole experience just a little bit better, because I know, from working on my car and stuff sometimes with background noise, stuff like that, does cause some issues. So please in the comments let me know if the microphone quality is a lot better for you. I did do a lot of research on looking for a new microphone, on a budget. So got a pretty decent one here. It's a Boya microphone, similar to the Boya microphone, like the one I had on top of my mount, with a little shotgun type. But this is more of a lav mic, so if I'm working on the car, I can always keep it attached onto me. So I'll try and make this a longer video. I've got a lot of things planned. I've got a few little treats, nothing too major, but some little treats that I've bought over the time, which obviously I'll wait till later on in the video. When I get to Wales, I'll start unboxing everything. I'll just show you what I've bought. And as I said, nothing too big, more like, tying up bits. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you like what you see, feel free to give me a comment, give me a like, give me a subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. But this year is going to be filled with videos, filled with content. It's just a case that it's just difficult, going to and from the garage in Wales. If I tried to get a similar sized garage in Manchester, it'd probably cost me about £600–700. So unless you've got a fully fledged business, it's unrealistic to have a £700 garage just for a project car. So you definitely got to be earning some money if you want a big garage. I was just fortunate when I had my contracts in Wales in the construction industry doing IT. I was fortunate enough to have someone who already rented a garage, and it's in Kibnall Bay, so it's out in the sticks, pretty decent though on a farm. So it's definitely worth. I think I pay £200 a month, and I split 50-50 with the guy who has the garage. So I think even £400 a month is definitely a better price than £700–800, which you should you expect to see in the Manchester area. So what it might cost me in £10–15 in fuel, not too bad, because when lockdown's all over, you have a nice beach, a few bars around, local to shops and stuff. So, and there's a decent takeaway about 15 minutes away, which is absolutely amazing. Worried that if I have to slam on, I've got like a big bit of engine crane that's going to hit me straight in the head. Doing? Muppet. think for me, the next steps are, as soon as I get the engine, get everything all fabricated, engine mounts, gearbox mounts. Yeah, I do have to buy the gearbox, but at least we'll be in a situation to start seeing if the engine fits initially. I have seen the K20 in a Corolla. I think it was in Poland, so I think it is doable. I'm not too sure, you know, how much difference in size the K24 is to the K20. I don't think so, because I don't know. I think I'll have to just see, but fucking move over, you dick. Bumper. So as you just seen by the last clip, I do want to say that the battery is dead on the VW camper. Where the engine's situated, we're going to be in a bit of difficulty until we've got a power pack to get that back up and running. So that's going to hold off plans on getting the car moved in for another week. Don't worry, there's a car cover on the way for the camper, and my car, instead of being in this room like it was in previous videos, which is a bit of a tight squeeze, we will have all this available. So we'll be able to take the subframe off, take everything out, and be in a situation where we don't have to roll the car in and out every time we need to do something. So that's something. I just wanted to obviously show the few little bits that I did buy. One thing I am really happy about is I won't try and hide my address off this parcel, or just in case. I don't know if you can see. Excuse my dirty nails, I'm working on the car and moving stuff around, but as you can see, Sad Boy Race Club. Now if you've not heard of them before, I did try and get a video of me trying to spread this out so you can all see, but it's probably best if I do get a photo or something like that, and get that put on the video, so I'll show that now. This, obviously I messaged the guy, obviously I was really interested in the stuff he sold and what he was about. Just to give you a bit of information, it's a service promoting mental health awareness. I do suggest you go and visit his website. I will leave a link in the description. Go and have a look at his merchandise, really good quality. I did notice when I did take this out that it was made with Avery Dennison material, which if you're a rapper or anything like that, sign writing, Avery Dennison is a good product. So as I said, NHS award winner, does work with one or two charities, I believe. I will leave all the details down below, but one of the charities I don't think I'll be able to pronounce right, so I just want to put it out there. But that's the reason why I'm not saying it on the video. But I'm sure someone in the comments will give me how you're supposed to say it, if you must. So the next thing is I will show you. is genuine Toyota Corolla and deflectors. Now they're not like the Team Hiko ones. The Team Hiko ones are a lot thinner, a lot smaller, and the Team Hiko ones actually go on under like the window seal and gets trapped in by the window when it comes up. These have actually have adhesive, as you can see here, which actually sticks on. I've had these before, so I know they're not going to fall off when going, you know, on the motorway doing higher speeds. But that's what I wanted to show you. Genuine. It's supposed to be quite hard to get hold of, but we use an eBay seller. Obviously, there's the part number, just in case you do want to grab some yourself. I will leave a link to the eBay ad. Another guy who still sells them brand new. He did say Toyota, I think, is still doing them at the moment on order. So if you do want to go directly to Toyota, that's also an option. But I think these cost me about 80 quid. So definitely worth it. The Team Hiko ones are a lot cheaper, around about 30 quid. But I just wanted to make sure everything's genuine, and obviously because these are harder and harder to get hold of, I wanted to get my hands on a set before it got to a point where I stopped doing them anymore, and they'll just go up in price ridiculously. So I'll put that on there. Initially I did have a lot of stuff planned, but you know, as it always happens, it never is the case. But we are making some progress. I managed to get to the garage, get the engine crane moved. So as you'll be able to see, we've got the engine crane here, which obviously just needs a bit more hydraulic oil. Then we should be good to go again. But yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you while I just do some cleaning, shit like that. But going forward, next couple of weeks, car will be coming in, subframe will be coming off. Hopefully by the end of February, get the engine. Once the engine's in, then there's no stopping us really. So, but again, I just want to apologise about the bad hair. I do need to, since the barbers are open, do need to get to the barbers. My hair grows ridiculously fast. But yeah, I'll love you and leave you, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao. Just what I also want to add as well is once the car's here, got big plans this year. Hopefully when COVID's over, got a few friends with, you know, a couple of good cameras, drone, so hopefully we should get some cinematics and some decent shots as the work progresses. Up there, big plans for what's going on up there. It's all going to get reinforced. Once it's reinforced, we're going to have a little sofa up there, a little relaxation area, get an Xbox in there. So when friends do come round, you know, for a long evening, it is more comfortable, because as you can see, I think I've got one seat in this Corolla seat, and it's up there, which can be a pain in the ass to get out. But we'll have a little settee, fridge, little relaxation area, TV, Xbox. Sorry, PlayStation players, but you can bring your own if you come. But yeah, big plans for this year. Fingers crossed no COVID does all sort its act out. But yeah, it's going to be a good one, guys.